Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to check whether the entered thing, okay, it is alphabet or not. Means you have to enter one character. If it is character A to Z, small a to Z or capital A to Z, then we will print it as alphabet. Otherwise, it will not. It is not an alphabet. Means, for example, if you enter like a dollar sign or hashtag sign or @ sign, so obviously it is not the alphabet. Okay. As per my previous program, it was like lowercase and uppercase. Here only thing is like we are checking it is alphabet or not. Even if it is lowercase or uppercase, we are going to print it is alphabet. But if it is like dollar sign or @ sign or hashtag sign, then we are not going to print that it is alphabet. Obviously, it is not the alphabet. So we have used two header files here for this program, that is #include stdio.h and #include conio.h. After that, void main function, open the bracket, and for the this program we have used one variable. The name of that variable is what? Character. Okay, and for that data type is also char, that is char, but full form is character only. So that is the data type, and name of the variable is what? Character. So after that, we have used printf and scanf statement. So here we are asking user that you enter one character. Okay, so user will enter one character. For example, okay, like S. For example, okay, scanf, and if user has entered what? S, small s. So now here we have if condition. If character, that means here we have entered S. So if small, actually small s, right? Yeah. So small s greater than equal to capital A with single quotation, okay? Then and character less than equal to capital Z with single quotation. Right now this condition is false because it is small s, not capital S. Okay, right now it is false. But after this full one condition, we have OR clause. Now what is the meaning of OR clause? That if any one condition out of two condition, if any one is true, then it is true. Okay, that means it will go inside of if any one condition is true. Okay, so what is the second condition? Character greater than equal to small a with single quotation, and character less than equal to small z again with single quotation. So here condition is true because as per our assumption it is small s. So here condition is true, but here condition is false. But between these two we have OR clause. That's why it will go inside of this if statement. And inside the if statement what we have written is printf, it is what? Alphabet. Okay. So just one more time, for example, if user enters, for example, ampersand, okay, that it is not obviously alphabet. Okay, so what will happen in if condition? Obviously this will be false because capital A to capital Z, but we have entered ampersand. Okay, and second condition also false because it is small a to small z. So here both the conditions are false only. So obviously it means it will jump to else part. And in else part what we have written is printf, it is not the alphabet. Okay, and then get ch and close the bracket. So we have some sample output here, like enter any character. For example, you will enter small h, so obviously it will print h is in what? Alphabet. At the same time, suppose one more time you will execute this program, and that time again enter any character, and if you have entered hashtag, okay, this sign, okay, so obviously it will print hash is not an alphabet. Okay, thank you all.